Okay.
So today at Natural Skincare Solutions we are making a natural conditioner for our private label client Penny Hill Park. So here we're pouring a blend of nettle into a natural conditioner base, which is made of 100% pure botanicals and natural extracts and oils. Next we're adding Penny Hill's signature blend. Because this is a private label, we have to keep it a secret, but I can tell you it's made of rosemary and grapefruit among other things. This is a natural essential oil blend. This is added to the conditioner base. Now we give it a great big stir. I can smell that from here and it smells amazing. And the stirring process will continue for how long, Dimity?
5 minutes.
About 5 minutes, which I won't bore you with now. But thanks and see you next time at Natural Skincare Solutions.